try and reverse ram on standby. Vehicle's been rammed. Stand by, stand by. Keep going, mate. Keep going.
We've got this other van behind us, he might try and box us in.
Blue one's involved, we're trying to box us in, we need more units. Speed 4.5 in a 3.0. Risk is still medium. Transit has damage to the rear. Got no sightings of the blue van what was involved. Rammed again, Screddington Road, low speed. Keep going. Right onto Helpringham Road. Helpringham Road. Been rammed again and again. Stand by. Can we have authorisation for tactical contact, please? We're coming up to the T-junction, Screddington Road, Station Road, towards Screddington. Crash, northbound. Stay still! Officer Taser, stay still! Stand still!
Last night, like a little fucking milk. I couldn't shake your red light.
File protected.
First, ministers from the remaining 27 EU countries are meeting in Brussels to discuss political declarations setting out the organisation's future relationship with the UK. They will also continue preparations for a summit next Sunday. Alex de Ruyter is the head of the Centre for Brexit Studies at Birmingham City University.
I'll also be considering the text of the draft build agreement. We'll need their signing off as well, of course. There may well be provisions in it which they still object to. I think I was speaking about fishing last week, the draft agreement doesn't mention. So it needs their buy-in and their support as well.
Next, concert staff in Birmingham refused to let a teenager with Asperger's
Leave you fucking in, dickhead!
Supervet.
Fuck me!
Suspected bombs have been found in a block of flats in North London. MLBC's Rachel Venables in Harlesden.
Plus the soaring bill of staff at City Hall for London Mayor.
File protected.
The third test match from Sri Lanka this morning from 4, exclusively on TalkSport 2.
File protected.
We're not doing answers. No, we're not doing answers like that. What would be this? How many of that? Chinese. What?
Fucking twat.
No answer. We're not.
No, I'm just throwing it out.
I have one of those steaks that takes about 18 days to get ready. Let's go to 905. Who's that? No, 905. Who's that? No, we're not doing answers like that. What?
905. Hello?
Turn your radio off.
Hello?
No.
Hello? 905.
Let's go to. Did we just do this one? No, we just did that one. Go away. Michael's a Celtic fan. Hi, Michael.
Right, Mike. Hey guys, great show as always.
Thank you, Mike. What would you like to say?
What I'd like to say is, have you ever walked into the supermarket and accidentally picked up...
Fuck off, twat!
Because walkers...
What I'm saying is that I'll let a judge find
Nobody has said that it was to do with the Group 1 North after a 6-0 demolition of Sheffield United ladies. All scores are available on the BBC Sport website. In the UK Snooker Championship at the York Barbican, Tom Ford is battling with Lu Ning of China for a quarter-final place against Ronnie O'Sullivan, whilst Northern Ireland's Mark Allen beat Neil Robertson 6-5.
Yeah.
File protected.
Sick, has he gone? Fucking hell! Fucking dickhead! That's going on my fucking
File
camera.
protected.
So if you're ready to leave what you know behind, you'll be surprised by different takes you.
The new powerful and efficient Honda Civic Sportline.
File protected.
Just brought 2 of them what's named on Groupon. Wasn't about 2 a day, the meal things. Look at them 2 cunts there, straight through red lights, 2 of them.
File protected.
Assaulted, pistol whipped, beaten, bound, and threatened by Venezuelan gangs, caught on video and arrested. Common sense wonders why the media is so intent on running cover for these gang members. I mean, it's not like they're out flying drones. Let's bring in Aurora, Colorado City Council member Danielle Jurinsky. Danielle, great to have you.
File protected.
Is there emergency? Do you need police, fire, EMS?
Yes, I do.
Okay, we'll get some.